What if your greatest asset wasn't something you owned, but the access and connections you could create? Today, a new wave of entrepreneurs is proving you don't need to own things to profit from them. The old model demanded capital and inventory, locking many out of wealth building. Now, value flows through networks and relationships, not just physical assets. By acting as a connector or facilitator, you can earn without ever owning the underlying asset. This flips the classic business model. It's not about buy low, sell high. It's about connect and earn. Your smartphone becomes your business tool, and your main skill is spotting needs and matching them with solutions. Millions are already building side hustles and careers this way, never owning the things that make them money. They're the pioneers of an asset-light economy. The question is, are you ready to join them? The sharing economy is the most visible example of this new model. Platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and Turo turn idle cars and empty rooms into income streams. You don't need to own a fleet or a hotel, just access to a car or a spare room. With technology handling bookings and payments, you focus on providing a great experience. Many start with one asset, then scale by managing others' properties or vehicles for a commission, rental arbitrage. You own neither the platform nor the property, but you profit by managing and marketing what others have. This model extends to lending, tool sharing, and even renting out high-end items like cameras or designer clothes. The principle is simple. Find underused assets, connect them with people who need them, and take a share. The sharing economy has turned every neighborhood into a marketplace. You don't need to own to earn. You just need to connect. What could you unlock in your community? The digital world takes asset-light earning even further. Dropshipping and affiliate marketing let you sell products worldwide without holding inventory. As a dropshipper, you market products online. When someone buys, a supplier ships directly to the customer, and you keep the profit margin. Affiliate marketers earn commissions by recommending products through blogs, videos, or social media. You don't own the products, you leverage your audience and credibility to drive sales. These models are scalable and require minimal upfront investment, just a laptop, internet, and niche expertise. Some of the most successful online businesses own nothing they sell, but master the art of digital matchmaking. In the asset-light economy, your value is in your ability to connect needs with solutions. Starting in this asset-light world is easier than ever. Your main tools? A smartphone, a laptop, and your creativity. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce let you launch an online store for a small fee, while marketplaces like AliExpress provide products to sell without upfront costs. Social media is your marketing engine. Build an audience and run ads with just a few dollars. For affiliate marketing, start a blog or YouTube channel for free, and join networks like Amazon Associates or ShareASale to find products to promote. The key is building trust with your audience through authentic, helpful content. These tools level the playing field. Anyone with drive and focus can compete. You don't need a big budget or technical degree, you can learn everything online. Work becomes flexible, project-based, and location-independent. The only real investment is your time and willingness to learn. The real asset in today's economy is you, your creativity skills, and network. Physical possessions can weigh you down, but your ingenuity is portable and scalable. Wealth is now defined by what you can do and who you can connect, not just what you own. This shift lets you design a work life around your strengths, whether that's content creation, property management, or spotting market trends. Many are building diversified, resilient income streams by combining asset-light strategies. The future isn't about owning nothing, it's about choosing access over ownership when it makes sense. The most successful will be those who see connections others miss, building value by linking needs with resources. True freedom comes from what you can access, not what you possess. So, look around. What assets or skills can you connect for value? The opportunities are everywhere. What will you build?